Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert equation in Excel. So very easily you can insert it. So firstly you need to click on insert, and here in the last you see here this option symbols. So click on it, and here you see this equation. So just click on it and choose anyone which you like these equations. Just click on it to select. You can very easily insert it. Just click on it and you see here equation insert very easily. So this way you can insert very easily. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more useful and interesting videos.